Want to take the guesswork out of your business finances? Let's dive in to how you can create an accurate financial forecast. Hi, my name is Annette Ferguson from Annette Co, and today we're going to talk about creating accurate financial forecasts for your small business. Accurate forecasting is crucial to ensure your business's stability and growth. So we're going to speak about how to gather historic data, identify key variables, and use forecasting for reliable financial predictions. The first step in creating an accurate financial forecast is gathering your historic data. This data provides a foundation for predicting future financial performance. If we know how the business has performed in the past, we can use that to predict the future. That means you want to collect together past profit and loss accounts, balance sheets, and cash flow statements, probably along with your business bank accounts, and analyze these documents to identify trends and patterns. For example, look at your revenue trends over the years. Look at your overall growth year on year and potentially any seasonality that you might have. If there are notable fluctuations, make sure you make a note of that. Next, identifying key variables that impact your business is important. This can include sales trends, seasonal fluctuations, market conditions, and any upcoming changes to your business operations. List out the key variables that are going to impact your business. For example, if you notice a 20% increase in sales over the summer period, make a note of that trend. Similarly, consider external factors like market trends and economic conditions that may impact that. Also remember to factor in things like holidays. If the business relies predominantly on you and you always see a dip in August, but you always take 2 weeks and go abroad in August, that's probably why. So make sure you also factor that into your future calculations if that's something that you want to continue doing. And now that you gather the data and you understand the variables, it's time to actually put pen to paper and build out your forecast, or as we call your profit plan. That can be done as simply as getting an Excel spreadsheet or a Google sheet and mapping out each and every month, mapping out the income that comes in and the expenses that are due to go out, making sure that you layer in tax in there and making sure that you have your own take home as part of the calculation. To recap, creating accurate financial forecasts involves gathering the historic data, identifying key variables, and using forecasting. By following these steps, you can ensure your business's financial stability and plan for future growth. If this is an area you're interested in, please do make sure that you give me a follow. You can also check out our blog post, which is located somewhere around this video. And for more personalized support, please do reach out.